Suffer from type 1 diabetes. Kakainom ng gamot, yung metformin, diamicron for my hypertension, for my diabetes, and norvastatin for my hypertension. Nasira yung kidney ko, kaya nag-undergo ako ng dialysis. Familiar ba kayo sa dialysis?
Yes!
Sinong may alam sa dialysis? Pwede mo makita? Alam niyo bang ending ng dialysis? Patay, tama?
Yes!
Sino ditong takot mamatay? Patas ang kamay. Maraming may gustong mamatay! Walang nagtaas! Oh! Ako, for you to know, I am not a believer of any kind of herbal supplement kasi mostly sa family field namin, nasa medical field. So, to cut the story short, na-meet ko yung life size when I was totally down and I was totally hopeless. It was an answered prayer for me kasi, alam nyo, kahit hindi ako believer noon sa mga herbal, nag-try ako ng maraming herbal kasi alam ko, ang ending ng dialysis, patay. Kaya takot akong mamatay, that's why I tried a lot of herbal. At good thing, binigay sa akin ng Panginoon, itong intra na pang 26 herbal na to, na nagbugsong sa buhay ko, kaya ako ngayon nandito, nakaharap sa inyo. Folks, hindi po basta-basta ang naranasan ko nung nagda-dialysis ako. Kasi that time, naranasan ko